From the given figure, find the radius, r of the inscribed yellow circle. Line construction, regular polygon properties, cosine rules, arithmetic and algebraic operations are used to solve this question. Solution. Join the centers of the green congruent circles to form a regular pentagon as shown. Label points D, E, and O, where O is the center of the yellow inscribed circle. Join line O, E equals small r plus large r, which equals line O, D. And line D, E equals r plus r, which equals 2 times r. Let us find the radius, r of the green circle. Since there are 5 similar green circles of total area, 125 times pi in square centimeters. This implies that area equals 5 times the product of pi and the square of r, which equals to 125 times pi. Divide the equation by 5 times pi. It follows that the square of r equals 125 times pi divided by 5 times pi, which equals to 25. Take the square root of the equation. R equals the square root of 25, which equals to 5. Consider isosceles triangle DOE. Angle DOE equals 360 degrees divided by n, which equals to 72 degrees, where n equals 5-sided polygon. Using cosine rule in triangle DOE, the square of length DE equals the sum of the square of length OD and the square of length OE, minus 2 times the product of length of OD and length OE, multiplied by cosine 72 degrees. Substitute values. This implies that the square of 10 equals the sum of the square of r plus 5, and the square of r plus minus 2 times the product of the square of r plus 5 and cosine 72 degrees. This implies that 100 equals 2 times the product of the square of r plus 5, and 1 minus cosine 72 degrees. Divide the equation by 2 times 1 minus cosine 72 degrees. The square of r plus 5 equals 100 divided by 2 times 1 minus cosine 72 degrees. Take the square root of the equation. R plus 5 equals the square root of 100 divided by 2 times 1 minus cosine 72 degrees. This implies that r equals the square root of 100 divided by 2 times 1 minus cosine 72 degrees minus 5. Therefore, r equals 3.5065 centimeters. To 4 decimal places.